Maybe they're protecting us from a shark. Where'd they go?
I don't know.
Flipper.
I wonder if they do that all day.
Look, he's still there.
There he is.
Look, there's 2 of them.
I want them to go faster than us.
They are going faster than us.
They're like running with the boat. That's crazy.
There it is, there it is, there it is. Now we can't see them jump.
There. Holy crap, yo!
Video it.
Did you
I
get it?
am. I got it.
Look.
Dolphins. Oh.
Oh my god!
Dolphins.
Dude, I want to pet dolphin.
I want to ride the dolphins.
Look, here it comes.
Where'd they go?
That's so cool.
Where are they?
There's one right there.
Oh, there they are. Where?
There.
Dolphins! Woo!
Oh my god!
I don't see them anymore.
That was the coolest thing I've ever experienced in my life.
Did you get the picture?